Now, as the farmers' agitation continues for more than 100 days now, my colleague Sumi gets you this exclusive report of how the farmers have made pakka houses at Singhu border, one of the epicenters of the Kisan Andolan. Listen in.
100 days later, the farmers' agitation continues at Delhi's borders. Exhibiting no end to the stir, the farmers have now built pakka houses at Singhu and Tikri borders.
To intensify the agitation and also to brave the soaring temperatures that the farmers are going to witness in the months to come in the national capital, the farmers have now started constructing pakka houses. Republic Media Network has reached Tikri border, where we wanted to verify this particular claim made by the farmer leader. In fact, the claim stands partially true. Some of the pakka houses have been made in an interval of 1 to 2 kilometers, and as many as 25 of them have been constructed at Tikri border.
Constructed to deal with the scorching heat, the houses can be seen a few kilometers ahead of the protest site. Aside from the mud huts already built at the borders.
गाय का गोबर तूड़ा तीनों चीज मिला के उन्हें छान के और उससे लिपा जाएगा, उससे और ठंडा हो जाएगा, और ठंडा हो जाएगा। ऐसे और कितने घर बनाने की कोई नहीं बना, अजीब लोग यही है अभी यही घर बना है। हाँ, कोई घर नहीं है।
The claim of pakka houses being constructed here at Tikri border seems to be false as of now, because these houses are absolutely not pakka in the nature. They are made from the bricks, made with mud. These are made with mud, and in fact the binding agent is also mud here, which can easily be displaced. And that is what the idea behind these pakka or the so-called pakka makans is, that they want to protect themselves from the weather, from the soaring temperature that they will be witnessing in the months to come.
But these houses have now become a hindrance to the lives of citizens. From daily commuters.
नहीं, पक्के मकान तो बिल्कुल भी रोड पे बनने ही नहीं चाहिए। अगर आप टेम्परेरी बना रहे हो, वो तो एज पर जैसे आप जो चला रहे हो, ये जो किसान जो चल रहा है, उसके बाद हट सकते हैं, उसमें कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं है। इन बिटवीन अगर आप पक्के खड़े कर लेते हो तो बिल्कुल लॉ एंड ऑर्डर से अलग, बिल्कुल गलत बात है।
To those earning the daily bread.
अब जाएंगे नहीं। कितने दिन हो गए आपको यहाँ पर? कितने दिन हो गए? 3 महीने हो गए। यहाँ से आप लोग जाएंगे नहीं जब तक, और ये भी गर्मी तो और बढ़ने वाली है।
चाहे जो मर्जी हो जी, जान भाग जी, चाहे जान दे।
Many have raised fears that these houses will not be demolished even after the agitation ends. Farmer union leaders have threatened to build 1,000 more of these shelters.
Now, the farmer leader and also the Sayukt Kisan Morcha has been constantly saying that they will be, constructing more and more of such houses for the elderly and the women taking part in the agitation to save them from the harsh weathers. The Sayukt Kisan Morcha, after receiving a lot of criticism, said that the further construction would not be taking place. However, some of the constructions have already happened. The farmers also say that once the agitation completes or sees its final leg, that's when they will demolish each and every structure. But again, there is no guarantee of it.
The farmers' resolve is clear. They will not move until the centre meets their demands. Bureau Report, Republic TV.